Let's make stuffed mung beans wrap today. Super duper nutritious, protein rich, and of course, damn delicious. Hello guys, I am Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Take 1.5 cups of soaked mung beans. So what I did is I soaked 1 cup of whole mung beans overnight and the next morning their quantity was almost double. That means when mung beans are soaked in water, they double up in quantity. So be careful and take the quantity as per your requirement only. Now the very first step is to blend all the beans. So take all these soaked mung beans in a blender jar, add 2-inch piece of ginger, 2 green chilies or Thai peppers. So guys, chili is optional. If you are used to chili heat and like them, only then add it, else you can totally skip it. Then 1/3 teaspoon asafetida. You can get asafetida from any Indian store around you or you can skip it. Then add salt as per your taste and around half a glass of water and then blend everything together. So the consistency of the batter should not be coarse or granular. Try and make a fine batter out of it. So I'll show you. See, this should be the consistency of the batter. It's neither too thick nor too runny. Now keep it aside and let's move on to the stuffing process. Take a small block of paneer, around 50 grams. Well, you can also opt for tofu here. Grate it or you can also roughly crumble it. So see, I have grated my paneer here. Now add handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Then I'm also grating half carrot in this. Well, there is no specific quantity guys. You can increase or decrease any ingredient as per your preference. Now at last I'm also adding 1 chopped tomato. But always remember to de-seed the tomato before adding in the stuffing mixture. Else the stuffing will become soggy and kind of very watery, which we don't want at all. So just be careful. Now goes in a pinch of salt. So guys, be very careful while adding salt here because the Moong batter also has salt in it. Then sprinkle some chaat masala on it, followed by half teaspoon of cumin powder. So that's it. Mix everything together and the stuffing mixture is also all ready. So keep it aside and let's move on to the cooking process. Take a pan or a griddle and grease it with some oil. Let it heat up, then wipe off extra oil with a tissue paper. Then pour 3 tablespoons or 1 big ladle of batter on it and spread it into a nice round shape. Then wait for a few minutes and when these dry patches starts to emerge on the wrap, move your pan or griddle to and fro in order to evenly cook the wrap from all the sides. Then once this looks done, carefully flip it over to the other side. Wait for 2 more minutes, then flip it over once again. When the wrap looks done from both the sides, keep a generous amount of stuffing mixture over the wrap. Then be careful and start rolling it from one side all the way to the other. So guys, just be careful at this stage and keep your flame to low to medium temperature, else your wrap will start to burn from the bottom. So be very mindful about this. So that's it. Take it out on a plate and cut it in whatever shape you want. Similarly, make as many wraps as required and feed your loved ones with this super healthy and finger licking dish. Well, this is a great lunchbox idea as well. So if you liked my recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget at any cost to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.